Children, welcome back to Moy Revision class of 9th standard. In previous day, we discussed about the chapter 2, the constitutional design, right? So, in this revision class, we'll go to the next lesson, that is the electoral politics. So, dear children, before going to start this revision class, please try to recall the previous two chapters. First one is what is democracy and why democracy. Second one, the constitutional design. If you understood that both lessons means, then that lessons will help you to understand this lesson, right? So today let us will see the electoral politics. So in this revision class, I will give some important questions to you, or else I will briefly explain about the important concept of the electoral politics in the revision class. Okay. So once you see these important concepts in this lesson, why election, what is our system of election, next one is what makes election in India democratic. While reading the textbook or your lead book, just you have to focus on these three important concepts. What is election? So in this concept you have to remember the definition. What is election, right? What is election? And also you have to remember a case study about the Haryana State Assembly election. So in that State Assembly election, how the people changed the political parties from one period to next period, right? And second one, what is our system of election? This is the most important concept in this lesson. So while reading the textbook, you have to focus more on this concept. What is our system of election? Our system means what is our Indian system of the election. Okay, Indian system of the election. So what is election and what is constituencies? Okay, what is constituencies? Constituencies means the entire nation has been divided for the election purpose is known as the electoral constituency. And also just you see the reserve constituencies. Okay, and once again you focus on the process of the election process. So from constituencies to the election, the constituencies, reserve constituencies, general constituencies, and voter list, election campaigning and counting of the vote. So all are included in this concept. So this is most important for your examination. So please once you focus more on this concept. And last one is what makes election in India democratic? What makes election and a democratic in India? So in this concept, please you have to remember the election commission. So how the election commission is conducting the elections to the Lok Sabha, or else you call general election, as well as to the all state assembly elections in India at regular interval. So every 5 years the election commission is going to conduct the elections to the all state assemblies and to the Lok Sabha. Okay, to the Lok Sabha. So please while reading the textbook, focus on these three important concepts. And coming to the important point, reading source. Okay, so which questions you have to remember in this lesson? So read and write the all NCERT questions from question number 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. So which questions already have been given in your textbook. So please once you go through the all questions from your NCERT textbook and try to solve that questions. Okay, try to solve that questions. And along with this NCERT questions, you have to see the lead supplementary book questions. Okay, lead supplementary books questions. So go through the lead supplementary book practice questions from question number 8, question number 9.1 to 9.3 and question number 9.4 to 9.11 and 10. Okay, 11 and 10. So after finishing these all questions, once again you need to recall the all question and answers, because now we are conducting MCQ questions on this long question. So please try to understand each and every word of the answers in NCERT solution questions and lead questions. So after finishing this, please try to solve the worksheet. Okay, try to solve the worksheets. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries, please let me know in the revision